Samsung Developers Conference 2024 AI Boost for Tizen announced. Samsung has unveiled an AI boost to Tizen at its annual event, Samsung Developer Conference 2024, on Thursday in San Jose McHenry Convention Center, California. The South Korean tech giant eyes on AI have been boosted ever since it unveiled the Galaxy AI suite of features along with the Galaxy S24 series previously this year. The company has unveiled that Tizen is set to bring its experiences to more devices and services, including the AI Home, a 7-inch LCD touchscreen display found on Samsung's AI-enabled appliances. Samsung has provided Tizen an AI boost that's called Tizen AI Services. These experiences are powered by Samsung's neural processing unit and are nurtured to flawless addition with Samsung products and proactively responding to user requirements. The company claimed that devices running Tizen AI services would deliver better personalized and safer experiences, like intelligently controlling echo and noise levels when users are watching TV, or making video calls to training on users' writing styles to help them take notes more efficiently. Samsung has enhanced the interoperability between Tizen and the Galaxy ecosystem, an essential element in ensuring that the Android-powered Galaxy devices work effortlessly with Samsung's Tizen-powered consumer electronics and appliances. Multi-control is one of the features that make this happen, letting users control both their smartphone and tablet utilizing the same Bluetooth peripherals like keyboards and mice. This feature is announced on smart monitors and TVs powered by Tizen.